So today we are going to see some items and phrases. Let's see what we have. First sentence is our to be taken aback. First phrase is our to be taken aback. Be surprised. We were all taken aback by her sudden disappearance on the day of her marriage. To be taken aback means होता है be surprised. And next है Adam's ale. Adam's ale means होता है water. They served us nothing but Adam's ale at the function. To be after, aim at, ever and again, occasionally. It was a quiet scene, but ever and again a high wave would sweep over the rocks with a hissing noise. Next है be of age, come of age, reach of the age of 21. Be of the age means होता है reach the age of 21. You can't marry against your parents wishes till you come of age. Till you come of age. Age of desertion, age of 14. Age of desertion means होता है age of 14. Now that your son has attained the age or discretion, you must give him greater independence. In the air, spreading about. In the air means होता है spreading about. Spreading about. The plan to build underground railways in Delhi has been in the air for quite some time. For quite some time. Next हमारा अल्फा एंड ओमेगा. द बिगनिंग एंड द एंड. अल्फा एंड ओमेगा मीन्स होता है द बिगनिंग एंड द एंड. इसको हम सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. करप्शन इट सीम्स इज द अल्फा एंड ओमेगा ऑफ द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ टुडे. Apple of discard and object of jealousy and friction. 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 It is amazing that a tiny island in the Bay of Bengal has become the apple of discord between Bangladesh and India. Next हमारा beat about the bush. Beat about the bush. Approach a subject in roundabout manner. Roundabout manner. Wait a minute. Okay, let's start. Next हमारा beat black and blue to punish severely. Beat black and blue to punish severely. The police beat the suspect black and blue. A bed of roses. A happy comfortable situation. A happy comfortable situation. An army officer might get a handsome salary, but his life isn't exactly a bed of roses. His life isn't exactly a bed of roses. Next हमारा a bed of thorns. A very uncomfortable situation. A very uncomfortable situation. The prime ministership of a big country like is bed of thorns. Bed of thorns means होता है a very uncomfortable situation. Have a bee once bonnet means होता है be obsessed on some point. Have a bee once bonnet means होता है be obsessed on some point. Next है हमारा beggar description. Beggar description. A science is said to beggar description when its beauty is beyond description. Its beauty is beyond description. Next हमारा bell the cat. To take the lead in a dangerous enterprises. Bell the cat means होता है to take the lead in a dangerous enterprises. Next हमारा hit below the belt. Fight unfairly. Hit below the belt means fight unfairly. Talk big. Talk boastfully. Talk boastfully. Hit the below the belt. Fight unfairly. Next हमारा talk big. Talk big. Talk boastfully. Bird's eye view. General view of a subject. A view seen from above. Seen from above. Next हमारा kill two birds with one stone. Gain two ends at the same time. At the same time. At the same time. Okay, next देख लेते हैं हम. यहाँ से एज ऑफ डिस्ट्रेशन हो गया. अल्फा ओमेगा. एप्पल ऑफ डिस्कॉर्ड. एप्पल ऑफ वन साइड. कीप इन आर्म्स लेंथ. ओके, लेट्स सी फ्रॉम दिस. Arguel. At loss, confused or puzzled. Keep at arm's length, avoid. Keep at arm's length, avoid. And he at loss, confused or puzzled. Augur ill. anticipate something bad, anticipate something bad, taken a back seat. Okay, taken a back seat, taken a back seat means होता है be pushed back, be humble. So these are some item and phrase you learn from this, and keep stay, subscribe my channel. Thank you.